welcome back to the channel. So today we will learn how to do a VLOOKUP in a systematic way or a slightly different way, an easier way. So first we will do a normal VLOOKUP. Select table, give column number and freeze this. So now how we will do this in different manner. What you do, select the data and give this data name. Suppose I'm giving my list. I'm selecting the data and give the name of the data like data of employees. Put enter. Now here what you should do, instead of this we look up, now type the name of your data. See, data of employees have appeared here. Select this, so it will select the table automatically. Give column number and yeah. So this is a very much easier, systematic and different way to do a VLOOKUP for better understanding. If you like our video, please keep following Excel up for more such Excel content. Thank you.